2.
Hi, I'm Michael, a rising senior at the Abraham Joshua Heschel School. My main project is Raspberry Pi image recognition, and my first milestone was to set up the Raspberry Pi and boot it into Raspbian. This was a 7-step process. My first step was to download noobs from the Raspberry Pi Foundation's website. Once that was downloaded, I then had to format my SD card to the FAT file system. It should be noted that if you do not use the FAT file system, Raspberry Pi will not boot. Once the SD card was formatted, I then extracted the noobs files and copied them over to it. I then inserted the SD card into the Raspberry Pi and connected other peripherals, and then I connected power. The Raspberry Pi then booted into the noobs menu, and from there I could choose a variety of operating systems. For this project, I chose Raspbian Stretch. Once I chose my OS, the Raspberry Pi then booted into it, and I had to set it up. This included adding a password, logging into the Wi-Fi, and adjusting the screen border. One issue I did have was the FAT file system and formatting the SD card. Initially, I did not realize that you could only use FAT, so I had formatted the card in exFAT and was perplexed as why it didn't boot. Once I figured this out, however, the Raspberry Pi booted up fine and everything went smoothly. My first milestone will allow me to run image recognition on the Pi and further explore its capabilities. Thank you.